never understood why there are always winds in the middle of the night. So you're always sailing in the middle of the night.
So I'm on the watch. It's early in the morning, and I thought I'll share the view with you guys. Yo, lovely sunrise.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
Hello, good morning to you.
Good morning.
So we started at 2 in the night.
Yeah,
And what's the updates? Can you give us?
and it's 11 o'clock. So I'm doing a 9-hour watch now. I've been on watch for 9 hours.
That's not true. He chooses to be on watch for 9 hours even when I'm sitting next to him.
So yeah, we are. Our aim was to do around 40 miles today, but it was upwind, so that made it around 70 because we had to go tacking. Right.
Okay.
So we've covered most of it. We are now like 20 odd miles away. We've been doing a brisk 5.5, 6 knots, in spite of the fact that we have dinghy in tow.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we've not put the Genoa. We've got a stay and a full main.
Yeah.
And with that itself, 5.5, 6 knots and pinching in as much as we can. Amazing. We've had a great sail, 5.7, 5.6.
Nice.
Yeah, the boat points well upwind. Very happy.
My way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all.
Thermocol fishing, boys. Danger at sea. Oh, there's a little birdie sitting on it, chilling. Oh, there are 2-3 birdies. How nice. They're taking a break. These are things that we need to be careful of while sailing, and more so when we're doing a night sail. That was close, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, these things are not lit at night. So when you are at crossing night, you will hit it, and then it doesn't have to get stuck in your propeller. Even if you're sailing, it will get stuck in the keel or the rudder or something, and you're stopped.
Okay.
And the rope is thick with these things because they are like at 150 feet.
Yeah.
50 meters, 50 meters pe hai ye. So thick rope also. You can't cut it easily also. Dicey things. Should be careful.
Enjoy. So I'm on watch, and we're doing good speed. This is our chart. Someone is sleeping. We're doing an amazing close haul sail. Puppies like that. Woo, fantastic. Team is ready?
I think so.
Team is ready?
Yes.
Okay.
आना है ये अच्छा एडेसिव है, इसको निकालने का, स्प्रेड करने का, ये अच्छा चिपकता है सही।
Right.
Either chipcoing or filling small gaps. Wire is going from a side, udhar se there is a gap, so you can use this to fill it out. Yeah. This is to cut this. Cutter in addition, you need to cut anything.
Right.
Anything you need to pick out. This is for checking the
Shrouds.
shrouds. Yeah. Screwdriver, I think you will need only this one. I'm giving you this and a plier also along with it.
Is there a requirement of Allen key anywhere on the mast?
I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. I haven't seen any such thing on what we are doing today. In addition, you are changing deck light. This is a deck light ka bulb. Okay, bulb or whatever.
It was similar.
It was. I think we have put this kind last time. If I'm not sure, but deck light needs to have this forward LEDs. These don't have forward LEDs. That's why probably it's less. So you put this there.
So this will be brighter.
This will definitely be brighter and focusing downwards. Our streaming light is working, the one above the deck light is working properly, but in case you need to change it, this is the one for that.
Okay.
Okay, I have additional bulbs and all which I'll keep down, and that should be all. I think I don't think anything else is required on top. Take a camera, make good videos of us.
Definitely.
Yeah.
It's just suddenly got breezy and piles on the mast. Woof.
देख अगर हाथ पहुंचता है जबरदस्ती नहीं करना. कंफर्टेबल? हाँ ये वाली लाइट अभी. So the leech of the sail, there's a rope that goes inside it, right?
Okay.
Here, and so this is the luff of the sail. Similarly, there's a rope at the leech of the sail, and that rope had broken, and the sail started fraying in the end. So what we're trying to do is insert another rope, tie the two ends, take the weight, and then stitch it all together. It's a big job. Big job in the sense this job requires certain amount of expertise and experience. So that's why our friend Mark is here. He's helping us out, trying to repair it. We don't have the bandwidth of getting a sail repaired in Port Blair, I think, and we have quite some miles to cover. So we'd rather sort it out here and then leave from here. In any case, we are waiting for winds to pick up.
Okay.
So beautiful location. Don't mind working here, except for the heat.
Cool.
Yeah.
Been a hot day, and these two have been trying to stitch the sail up. With some help from our friend also. How's it going, people?
Yeah, we almost finished.
Oh, super.
Not bad
As
for
you
first
can
time
see.
sail repair.
Damn good, yeah, damn good.
You want to show it?
Let me close it. Oh, long, tough morning, both of you.
Yeah, we did a lot of work. We repaired the main sail,
Hmm.
and now we're going to a different anchorage so that we can finish the remaining work on the mast. We have one more light that needs to be sorted out.
Okay.
Here it gets really windy and choppy, so that location is going to be better. So we do that, and then we should be ready for the crossing.
Ready for
Yeah.
crossing, yes.
So generally everything is okay. We've checked, inspected and stuff like that.
Good thing you saw the
Yeah, it's good thing that we saw that
Tear.
main sail thing, because if winds picked up, it could have
torn the
damaged
sail.
the sail much further. But I mean,
What had exactly happened?
in the leech of the sail, there's a line rope inside,
Okay.
which kind of strengthens it.
Huh.
The rope inside is kind of frayed. They've used the polypropylene or polyester rope here, which is very uncalled for or whatever, not to be done.
Okay.
So yeah, so we've replaced that bit of rope, put a strengthening cover, stitching. Now little things are left to just secure it up, and one light on top.
Superb.
So good job, yeah. Huh?
PGNM,
I have not done much.
GGNM and PGNM. And then there is VC.
Which is to save a minute.
I have to
One
give
of
my
you.
I have to give myself a rank also.
Whether you say or middle.
Ooh, morning sales.
Good morning.
And we are starting. This is our first leg.
Yeah, this is the first leg. We have finally left Thai mainland. You know, and the winds are again.
Winds and all are okay. The sunset, sunrise behind you.
Yeah, every time we do mast work, winds pick up. So we've decided whenever the winds are poor, we will send Payal up the mast and the winds will pick up.
I think that is the best. I
Yeah.
can call the wind gods from there.
Yeah, I think last time also when Payal went up the mast.
Yeah, that's in
Um,
Langkawi, I think, right?
Yeah.
Langkawi. Kua anchorage, she went up and it's supposed to be a calm day and within few minutes it was 20 odd knots.
I remember.
Look at the beautiful sunrise.
Sunrise, yeah. We're not used to sunrises so often, right?
Yeah.
So my watch has just gotten over. I'm just chilling, waiting for the sun to set. Payal is still sleeping. Let's see what Captain Gogo has to say. It's time to listen to the waves, huh? How's the sail today? What is your thought on it?
I would say it was okay. We had a good start in the morning.
Hmm.
We started with 10 to 12 knots of wind. Then it went up to 15. We were doing a good 6.5 knots. And then gradually the wind died.
Yeah.
Around noon the wind died and for 4-5 hours there's been no wind. Now wind has started picking up. So we were motoring initially, now we're motor sailing and hopefully the winds will pick up and we should be able to shut down the engine and sail the rest of the way.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the plan. Otherwise it's been a beautiful day. We saw dolphins, lots of dolphins,
Oh, that
2-3
was-
times and they swam with us for quite a while.
Hello. Hello. Ma'am, look at them. Kitne sare hain. Hello. So many of them coming here. See. See that pod. Hello, beauties. I hope you don't get scared. Shoot a baby.
Mommy and the
we're
big.
looking forward to the sunset there.
Oh, yes. So our journey to Andamans has started. We're going to be doing 350 nautical miles over nearly 3 days. And we hope that the winds are good. That's what the predictions are. So all our fingers are crossed and see you at the other side. You should be singing. Got you.
ठंडे ठंडे पानी में नहाना चाहिए. Hey, we are here.
Woo! That's interesting.
Yeah. Lovely.
Acha. There comes Payal. Woohoo! Wow. it's melting. Look at it.
Yeah. It's melting. Wow. क्या बोला है? मजा आ गया.
Sun is melting.